Hey gardening friends, I wanted to give a quick update as I work on transitioning my summer garden to a fall garden. So the peppers, as you can see, are doing pretty well. They managed to survive the heat wave that we had for most of the summer and are looking pretty healthy. You can even see here, I have a couple of peppers that are close to being ready to pick. I think I've shown those in other videos, but just overall, these pepper plants seem to be doing very well. There's some bell peppers there. I believe these are Purple Beauty bell peppers, and then I have more peppers in this whiskey barrel, and there's peppers there. The tomatoes, they're ripening. I've been harvesting a lot of tomatoes off of these plants. You can see there's quite a few there that needs to be harvested. But the plants are starting to look a little weary, and as the leaves start to yellow, I've been going through and just, removing those leaves from the plant. But what I really wanted to do in this video was address a couple of things. One, this is the cucumber plant, which is really basically done. I started this in the late spring, early summer. You can see there's one cucumber there that's way over ripened. So I'm ready to pull this plant, and then I want to refresh the soil so I can utilize this grow bag for another crop. So I'm going to take this bag as well as two other bags that I use to grow onions in, and I'm going to refresh the soil and prepare those for other crops that I'll be planting in the next few weeks. This trellis, this is the tomato tower trellis. I actually use these for my tomatoes, and this is just an extra one that I have, and it works really great for the cucumbers. I'm going to move this into another grow bag that I've already started another round of cucumbers, and they've started to grow. The other thing I like to do is protect the blueberries from the birds. So I purchased these netting bags off of Amazon, so I'm going to install those over the blueberry, and then I think I'm also going to use them to protect the zucchini and maybe even some of the other crops that I plant out in the fall. I think I have like 4 bags, so I'll use those to protect like the broccoli and some of the other things that I'm growing this fall. Okay, so here are 2 of the bags that I'm going to refresh today, along with this grow bag where once I pull the cucumber, I'm going to refresh the soil. So I'll remove some of the soil, maybe a shovelful or so, out of each of the bags. And then I'm going to refresh with just a little bit of potting soil. This is my favorite potting soil. Mushroom compost. And then in this pot I have worm castings. I'll add just a little bit of bone meal and a little bit of blood meal. And I'll mix all of that in, and then these grow bags will be ready for planting for the fall.